Hello and welcome. This is Mahendra again, giving you some more understanding about how to take care of your lower back. So if you have lower back pain, let it be any reason, there are two very important things that are related to lower back pain. The stiffness and tension in your hip flexor muscles, the front part of your hips. And at the same time, stiffness and tension on your hamstring muscles. So I have a couple of postures to suggest you. You can practice them and some variations of the same two postures. So if you find that you are comfortable to practice them, please go ahead and practice them. They have given me immense of benefits when I was recovering from my own back pain. So for the first posture, it is called Ashwasanchalanasana. Now these names are different in different schools. Never mind, but we just consider it as lower lunge, and you may need a couple of blocks for this. So these two yoga blocks may help you to practice it in a better way. In case if you're stiff with your hip joints, right? So here it is. We keep both the blocks shoulder width apart from each other, and then once you take the distance, keep both the palms on the blocks. And then bring your right foot exactly between both the palms. Now make sure your right shin bone is vertical to the mat. Your right heel to your right knee, right shin bone is straight. Both your palms are soft. Palms are like you spread your fingers nice and wide. Elbows are soft. And then you lift your left knee up. Try and make your left knee straight. Press your left heel back. And try to press your left thigh as much as possible upwards. Remember not to lift your sitting bones. Right shin bone remains vertical to the mat, right thigh parallel to the mat. And then press the left knee up and try to extend your spine. Instead of contracting, make your spine longer. So once you reach here, stay here for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then bring your left knee down, change the side. Bring your left foot forward, press your right knee up, left shin bone vertical, left thigh parallel to the mat. Open up your chest. So this particular posture you repeat at least 5 to 10 times. So when I mean 5 to 10 times, it is only after those many repetitions it will help you to stretch and open your quadriceps and your hip flexor muscles. So you repeat this posture. If in case you find it is difficult for you to make your left back knee straight, well, you can maintain the posture here. If you find it is further more difficult for you, you can change the height of the block, or maybe you can keep it all the way up vertical. Just make sure that you are comfortable with your back knee and you are comfortable not forcing your muscles into the practice, right? So this is our first posture. We call it Ashwasanchalanasana. This practice helps to give a proper stretch to your quadricep muscles and a proper stretch to your hip flexor muscles. In my previous video, I was explaining how the lumbar lordosis works. That arch is because of the shortness of your front hip muscles. So this posture will help you release that arch a lot. We reach back to the next posture. It is called Supta Padangushtasana. For the next posture, you may need a belt. So depends on your flexibility level. So I'm trying to give it in a way that a layman or a beginner can practice it very comfortably, right? So the next practice is in supine position, lying down position. So you make both the legs straight and slowly lie down on your back. Now as you lie down on your back, first bend your right knee. Then lift your right leg up, wrap the belt around your right inner heel. So you wrap the belt exactly on the inner heel and hold the belt with both the hands. Now once you hold the belt with both the hands, press your left thigh down, press your left heel away from your body. So pushing your left heel away. Make your right knee straight. Try to press your right thigh away as well. So once both the legs are straight, press your lower back down. Do not lift your arch. Just press your lower back down. Maintain the posture. Supta Padangushtasana. If you are further comfortable, you may move the right foot a little towards your head, right? So this is the first variation. From here you slowly release your belt, release the right foot down, make your right leg straight, bend your left knee. Then lift your left foot and hold on to the belt on your left inner heel. Once you hold the belt on the left inner heel, press the right heel away from your body, right leg is straight, press the left thigh away. Try to make this knee straight. You will find there is a huge stretch on the back of your left knee, on your left hamstrings. You're pressing the left thigh away, making sure that the spine, both the sides of your torso are extended longer. They are not being contracted. So this is Supta Padangushtasana A. Now here, if it is very difficult for you, you have two options. You can bend one knee, like the leg you're keeping straight down, you can bend that leg. And if you find it is still further difficult for you, you just reach to the level you're comfortable. Like bend your knee and see if you can try to make your leg straight. If you can make your leg straight up to here, well, maintain here. If you can make it straight all the way up, maintain here. If you're comfortable here, make this leg straight. If you're further more comfortable, pull the foot towards your head. Right? So this is Supta Padangushtasana A. So here there is another variation of the posture that is more to help you release the tension on your inner thighs. So observe how the practice can be practiced, how the posture has to be practiced. Hold the belt on your right inner heel, hold the belt in your right hand. So your left hand is down. Press your left thigh down, press your left side of the sacrum on the mat. First you inhale, with your exhalation, open your right leg out. Now if you have observed, I'm deliberately pressing my left hip down as much as possible. But the moment, if you find you are lifting the left hip like this, then you need to stop, okay? This is because of your tightness in the hips. So what you need to do is press the left hip down and then open the right leg out. If you need, you may stop your right leg somewhere, like taking some support, some block or something. Make sure the left leg is straight, press your lower back down on the mat and maintain your chest open, maintain the breathing comfortable. Same practice with other side, lifting the right leg up, release the right leg, maintain the right leg straight down. Bring your left knee to the chest, wrap the belt around your left inner heel and make the left leg straight. Now be conscious of your right leg. Right leg has to be straight and right heel pressed away. So as you move your left leg down, your right leg shouldn't bend like this. Okay? If your right leg bends, your right hip comes out, the posture is meaningless. It is not leading you anywhere. So what you need to do is make sure that you press the right thigh down, press the lower back down, left leg is straight, and slowly open your left leg towards the left side without lifting the right hip. Press the right hip down, maintain the posture. So you're supposed to maintain this posture for about 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, not more than that. If you feel in between it is giving you any cramp or any unpleasant experience, you're supposed to come up. Then just turn towards your left side, support your body with your right hand, come up in sitting position. So these two postures with their different variations, if you practice in your day-to-day activities, it will keep you away from the tensions on your hip joints, and at the same time it will help you to relieve the stress on your lower back. So this was Mahendra with this couple of postures. See you again in next video. By then, thank you.